Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet, Juliet famously states, "What's in a name? That which we call a rose by any other name would smell as sweet." And while that may be true, that doesn't mean all names are created equal. Today, as we consider zoology, we're going to look at our top 5 list of ridiculous and humorous animal names. Let's get to it. Number 1. Genus Jala is a type of round fungus beetle belonging to the family Leodidae. And given that we usually pronounce this the same way as the word jelly, biologists had some fun naming different varieties of this beetle, including jelly bean, jelly belly, jellyfish, not to be confused with the actual jellyfish, jelly donuts, donuts, and jelly roll. Number 2. Here's another beetle on the list. Now don't get aggravated with this beetle even if its name states otherwise, but from the genus Agra, this variety of beetle includes names such as aggravation, agoraphobia, and in a more mystical sense, Agra Cadabra. Number 3. No one likes to be teased for how big or small they are. I feel kind of bad for this genus of small mollusk known as Bidium, and our favorite little guy from the genus is the Itty-Bidium. Look at how cute and small you are. Number 4. If you're a fan of the lean green team Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, this one's for you. A discovery of a giant ancient turtle discovered by Richard Owens was named Ninjamus Oweni, which translated means Owens Ninja Turtles. Number 5. The only species in genus Han is Han Solo. Get it? Solo? It's the only one. Yeah. Though I don't really see the resemblance to Star Wars Han Solo. Oh. So there you have it. If you know of any other fun animal names, feel free to add them to the comments below and click subscribe and the bell to get notified of new videos. Let's get to it.